So now we've kind of established supplier contracts, we're trading, we've got a customer contract in place, and we're kind of moving on to that next step, I guess, of running a business, we hope, and that's hiring someone. So, what should one as a business owner, before hiring someone, during, after that sort of initial process, what tips would you have for hiring your first employee?
It's very important to understand that employment law is heavily regulated in the UK. So you have to have core understanding of how to protect yourself as a business and how to make it compliant from employment law point of view. You absolutely must have an employment contract in writing or employment terms in writing, which have to be provided before someone starts their employment. There are also some criteria. So you can't just simply write something. You have to make sure you have the required information in place about training, about holidays, about sickness, how you're going to discipline people. It's very important to, well, you have a choice whether you want to read about it, because there's a lot of literature. You can go on ACAS, which is a government-run portal where you can find relevant information, or there's a helpline you can use to find out if you have, for example, a specific question or an issue where already existing, or you can consult with a lawyer. But you need to understand that contracts need to be in writing. You have to have policies in place. You have to understand how to run and keep records for each employee. When you talk to them, when you have reviews with them, when you discipline them, when you have reviewed their performances. So in case there is an issue later on, someone raises a grievance, you can effectively investigate and understand how to deal with it.